Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you so much. So, this training, I'm going to show you how to read your loan estimate. The loan estimate that you is probably the most important document that you'll get when you're applying for a mortgage. This loan estimate is required to be given to you within 3 days after applying for a refinance or within 3 days after going into contract on your purchase. So this document you'll get, and this document shows you all the terms, exactly what your closing costs are, and also exactly what your interest rate and your monthly payment will be. And so it's important to know and take a few minutes just to know how to read this document. And most lenders aren't going to really show you. They'll just give it to you and say, here it is, and it'll be up to you to kind of figure things out from there. So I'm going to point out a few key points with this loan estimate. And if you guys do have any questions, you can just write your question below, click the button, and I will be happy to help you. Thank you so much. All right, so this is page 3 of your loan estimate. So what this page 3 shows you is a longer term look at comparing each mortgage. So when you're shopping for your mortgage, this shows you in 5 years and in 30 years, compares it to what you would pay for on each of the loans. So this first one here in 5 years shows you the total you will have paid in interest, principal, mortgage insurance, and loan costs. So this is $56,582. Now, keep in mind the average life of a mortgage is not 30 years. In fact, it's 5 to 7 years. And I went over another video here on the left-hand side. You can check it out. The average life of a mortgage, it's actually 5 to 7 years. So you don't really want to weigh your decision on picking the type of mortgage or the specific lender based on these numbers. However, they are important for you to take a look at and for you to understand. So this essentially is just saying that $56,582 is the total that you pay in 5 years. And then out of that $56,000, you're going to pay down your principal by $15,773 in 5 years. The next one is your annual percentage rate. And this is your cost over the loan term expressed as a rate. This is not your interest rate. I actually did a video that explains what your APR is on the left-hand side under interest rate section. The next one is your total interest percentage. So this is if you did carry out the loan for the full 30 years and you stayed in this home, or you just had the mortgage for the full 30 years and you never refinanced and you never sold the home. 69.45%. That means the total amount of interest that you will pay over the loan term as a percentage of your loan amount. This next section here just lets you know if this loan is going to require an appraisal, if it's an assumable loan, yes, or if it's an assumable loan, yes or no. Homeowners insurance, if this loan is going to require homeowners insurance. Late payments tells you if there is late payment and how much it is. For this one, it's 50. If you're getting a conventional loan, most loans, you have a 15-day grace period here, and then you have a late fee of 5% of the monthly payment if you go past that 15 days. And then it tells you on a refinance, this just lets you know that when you refinance, there's no guarantee that you'll be able to refinance the loan. You have to qualify again for the payment. You have to qualify and make sure you have, the credit and the income to allow yourself to refinance. And then the next section here, this next one is servicing. This tells you if the lender that you're working with plans on servicing the loan or if they plan on having someone else service the loan. So we intend to service your loan. If so, you will make your payments to us. So this basically tells you if there's someone else that's going to service the loan for you. Now, this is important because you want to make sure you are comfortable with who you're going to be sending your monthly payment to every single month. This is page 3 of your loan estimate. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to reach out. Press the button below. I'm happy to answer your questions very promptly. Thank you so much.